Hello, I'm very pleased to be able to talk to you today about Nanomox and to tell you about our exciting and innovative new process for advanced and sustainable material production. Climate change is the biggest challenge facing humanity today. Because of our ever increased consumption of energy within manufacturing, in order to produce more and more advanced materials to maintain our way of life, we require innovative processes in clean manufacturing in order to produce those materials with a lower cost to the environment. So what if we could make advanced materials in a more sustainable way? This is just what Nanomox has done. We've developed an innovative process that enables us to make materials that can be tailored to meet the specifications for any given application. And so our process can transform very basic base metals through our synthesis method into controlled metal oxide nanoparticles, and these can be used to enhance current products and even develop new technologies. Because of our unprecedented control over particle size and morphology, we can outperform conventional materials, and because our process is environmentally friendly, we can reduce energy usage and their cost. The market opportunity that we've selected for a beachhead is zinc oxide because it's a safe material in a growing but yet established market that has many applications. These range from bulk particle production that goes into things like tires to more advanced materials for zinc oxide batteries and also as additives in sunscreen. Our competitors have two separate sets of processes depending on the market application. We've combined these into one. Conventional zinc oxide particle production using either the French or direct processes are high temperature synthesis methods that are fairly low cost but extremely energy intensive. On the other hand, much more advanced nano-sized zinc oxide particles and films are produced through wet chemistry methods and plasma and chemical vapor deposition that are extremely high cost but give much more high performance materials. Nanomox's process enables us to do both. We can produce metal oxide particles with controlled morphology at a very low energy input and therefore a very low cost. This will enable us to establish new applications because we can produce particles that will outperform either of the current technologies with a lower energy input than either one. Because we're a startup company, we're currently focused on research and development, but we have engaged quite a bit with material end users and academic researchers in order to come up with a coherent product development plan in order to produce new IP so that we can develop through partnerships with chemical manufacturers and reach all of the markets that we can envisage. At the moment, we've gained quite a bit of traction, even though we're a few months old. We received some seed funding from the Department of Chemical Engineering at Imperial College in order to perform techno-economic evaluations to show that our process is both low energy and low cost. We've recently embarked on a patenting phase and also a customer discovery and market opportunity identification in order to establish a clear plan and a path forward to bring this technology into the market. Our next steps are quite crucial. We're looking at process scale-up to consolidate our manufacturing capabilities and to produce enough material in order to produce test samples that we can provide to customers in order to show that our particles meet the standards that they require at a cost that's lower than what they currently have to bear. There are three of us involved in the company. Francisco is the driving force behind the technology. He has 10 years of experience in the design and scale-up of chemical processes before he came to Imperial to do his PhD. Kira and Jason are both academics within the UK. Kira is a material science expert with a lot of expertise in material production, and Jason is a sustainable expert who knows how to bring chemical technologies to market. We're looking for partners and connections in order to establish joint ventures to bring our particle technology into the metal oxide field, and we will require funds for the R&D and scale-up activities in order to scale up our process enough that we can meet the demands of customers for samples. So we're Nanomox, and we're designing advanced and sustainable materials, and we'd be happy to hear from you.